Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping efficiently. Cleanse, tone if you use it, then apply a light moisturizer and wait 1 to 2 minutes so skin isn't slippery. Next, dispense a pea to 1/2 pea size of Maybelline Fit Me Tint onto the back of your hand and warm it with your finger. Once warm, dot 3 small points, forehead, cheeks, chin, so you control amount. This method prevents patchiness and lets you build coverage where you need it instead of globbing product on. You blend immediately using either clean fingers for warmth or a damp sponge for a skin-like finish. Choose fingers for speed and sponge for even sheerness. Start at the center of each dotted area and blend outward with gentle circular motions so edges feather into hairline and jaw. If you want more coverage, make sure to wait 10 to 15 seconds, then add another thin layer and tap to meld. This controlled layering avoids cakiness and keeps the tint looking like you finish by setting only the T-zone with a light dusting of translucent powder, using a fluffy brush to prevent shine without flattening. If you spot streaks or uneven edges, press a clean damp sponge or fingertip over the area to melt the product back into skin, don't rub. And if the finish becomes too matte or patchy later, add a tiny dab of facial oil or cream to the high points and blend. This restores natural luminosity without overdoing coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.